Hello and welcome along to another video with myself, Mr. Burns. Now we're still on straight line. This is the 6th lesson in straight line. We're going to look at key features of straight line graphs. I'm just abbreviating straight line to SL there. So we know the general equation of a straight line is y equals mx plus c, right? And the key features that we're going to take from this today we are going to be able to identify the gradient, identify the y-intercept, and explore pairs of coordinates which belong to this linear function, which belong to this straight line function. Okay, so we've got y equals mx plus c. In the previous videos, we've highlighted what m and c represent. So m represents the gradient, c represents the y-intercept. The gradient is the steepness of the graph. Okay, so it can also have no steepness. We'll look at that in another video. It can have a negative gradient. It could have a positive gradient. So, answers then. The gradient here is equal to 2. The y-intercept is equal to 3. We could do a quick sketch with our x and y axis. The y-intercept is 3. The gradient is 2. So this is quite a steep line. That could be an approximation for that. The y-intercept at 3. Now, exploring pairs of coordinates. So that means that we want to know other points that lie on this line. Okay, so we can draw it exactly if we had squared paper. Now in the previous video we've looked at tables of values. Right, I'll just move over a wee bit here. So let's do that again for this third part. Table of values. Okay. We can choose any values, right? From 0 we could choose negative values, we could choose positive values, we can choose 0. So today let's just go with 0, 1 and 2. Let's be kind to ourselves. So at 0, right, if you don't know how to do a table of values, go back to one of the previous lessons. 2 zeros plus 3 is 3. Okay, look at that. That's quite important, right? That we have this 3 here, and this 3 here. If you've watched the previous videos, you'll know why that is the case. X is equal to 1. 2 1s are 2, add 3 is 5. X is equal to 2, 2 2s are 4, add 3 is equal to 7. Okay, and then from that we can take coordinate points. We can take the coordinate point here as 0, 3. So we've got a pair of coordinate points there, 0 and 3, 1 and 5, and 2 and 7. Okay, so they are 3 coordinates that lie on this line. 0 and 3. Must be a relationship there. Have you thought about that relationship there between that coordinate point, that intercept, and that? You're making connections. 1 and 5, so 1 along and 5 up. 2 along and 7 up. Alright. Now, in one of the previous videos we said we would look at some patterns between these values. Have you made any connections yet with that? The 3 and the 5 and the 7 with information we've already got in the straight line? Okay, right, I've got another video which I'll upload in a wee second that's got this on using Desmos with some other thinking steps, some extension questions and some questions for you to try. So watch both these videos. Thanks for watching again.